everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you quick and easy cooking tutorials. Today, we are going to be cooking a classic and delicious dish, spaghetti. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound of spaghetti, 4 quarts of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, half a teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 tsp of dried oregano, 1/4 tsp of red pepper flakes, optional, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions: fill a large pot with 4 quarts of water and bring it to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to the boiling water. Add the spaghetti to the boiling water and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes or until it is al dente. Drain the spaghetti and set it aside. In a separate pan, heat up the olive oil and add the minced garlic. Cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the crushed tomatoes to the pan and stir in the dried basil, oregano, and red pepper flakes, if using. Let the sauce simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens. Toss the cooked spaghetti with the sauce and grated Parmesan cheese. Serve the spaghetti hot and enjoy. And that's it! A delicious and classic spaghetti dish in just 3 minutes. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy cooking tutorials. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cooking!